No mai, hoki mai. Welcome to Toy Time. Whakarongo mai. Can you hear the trumpets? It's party time. Hoki tātou. Woohoo!
Everyone, and welcome to the Toy Time Whare. I'm Māia.
Tēnā koe, my name's Tama.
And I'm Jojo.
And we're the Toy Time whānau.
Hey, I bet you're wondering why I've got my backpack. It's because I'm going on a trip to see my koro.
And that's why we're outside the Toy Time Whare, so that we can wave goodbye to Jojo. Oh no. Kei te pai koe, Tama?
I'm gonna miss Jojo.
Oh, it's okay, Tama. I'll be back.
You coming back?
Of course.
Oh, all right. Well, I'm still gonna miss you.
I'll miss you too, Tama. Hey, will it help if I promise to send you a postcard?
Oh, yes, please.
Taxi's here! I'm ready to take Jojo to the airport!
How exciting.
Oh, Jojo, did you remember to pack everything?
Yep, absolutely everything.
Oh, what about your toothbrush?
Oh, everything except that. I'll be right back.
Don't worry, Jojo. I got it for you.
Oh, thanks, Māia. Now I'm ready. Ka kite anō korua.
Ka kite, Jojo. Bye, Jojo. Hey, Jojo, where shall we go? 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 Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. Oh, 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 over land, over sea. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. There is so much we can see. We could go to another island. We could get there by plane or boat. When we get there, we'll send a postcard to our friends that are back at home. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. Oh, 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 over land, over sea. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. There is so much we can see. Hey, Jojo, where shall we go? 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 We could Jojo, where shall we go? Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. Oh, 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 over land, over sea. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. There is so much we can see. Hey Jojo, where shall we go? Hey Jojo, where shall we go? Hey Jojo, where shall we go? Hey Jojo, where shall we go?
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be Mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Ha! Check it out. I'm making us a fancy new mailbox. This is the slot for the postie to put the mail in. And here's where we get the mail out. Ta-da! Look, I've also painted it bright red and put a big number on the front so the postie can find it. Number 27, Toy Time Lane. Now all we need is the postie with a letter from Jojo. Let's put it out in front of the house, shall we? Me haere, mātou. All done. Woohoo!
Postie, 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 postie.
Just in time. Morena, postie. Have you got any mail for us?
Let me see. Nope.
Oh.
Nope.
Oh.
Nope.
Oh.
I see. Toy Time Whānau, 27 Toy Time Lane.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thanks, postie.
You're welcome. Kia pai tora. Have a great day.
Me koe hoki. Whoa, how exciting! Jojo sent me a letter. Māia! Māia, come quick!
Yeah.
Look! It's a letter from Jojo. Dear Toy Time Whānau. That's us. I'm having a great time with my koro. We saw a taka here. And I found a beautiful shell at the beach today. I'm going to bring it home as a souvenir. Love, Jojo. I'm glad to know that Jojo's having a great time.
Hey, I can't wait to send a letter next time I go travelling.
Me too.
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me again, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm travelling the high seas. I'm trying to find the pirate ship. Wanna come? Hoa ke tātou. Oh, there's the pirate ship here. I wonder how I get on. Let's try this way. I made it. Come on, let's go and explore the pirate ship. Come on, I'm heading to the upper deck. Yeah. Whoa, let's go and check out where this goes. Come on. Whoa. Check it out. Check this out, cuzzies. Whoa. Check out all the different blues there are. Some of these look like my shirt. This is so cool. I'm gonna call them Splash Ocean Water Wet Pads. Cool. Let's see what else we can find. Whoa! This is a real pirate ship. Arr. Let's check what's down in the hull. Oh no! There's water in the hull of the ship. Buzz the Cuz to the rescue. Oh no! We have a serious leak in the pirate ship. I better start bailing it out. I can't do it. There's too much water. I'm gonna have to abandon ship. Okay. Abandon ship, cuzzies. That was a close one, my cuzzies. Hey, I'll see you next time, eh? Ka kite.
Aeroplane up in the sky, above the clouds, we're up so high. I left my home and now today I'll see special people who live far away. The roads and cars, they look so small. The houses don't look real at all. They look like toys I have at home for playing with friends and on my own. Going on an airplane ride, flying far away. The pilot takes us for a trip. What an exciting day. We could go to Napier, Ahuriri, Christchurch, Otautahi, Dunedin, Otepoti, Queenstown or Wanaka, Wellington, Te Whanganui Atara, Auckland, Tamaki Makaurau, Hamilton, Kirikiriroa, Taupo or Tauranga. Going on an airplane ride, flying far away. The pilot takes us for a trip. What an exciting day. Going on an airplane ride, flying far away. The pilot takes us for a trip. What an exciting day.
There. The toy time whare is spick and span for when Jojo comes home.
Kia ora, Kazi.
Hey there, Buzz. Oh, or should I say Captain Buzz? Tēnā koe.
Tēnā koe. Hey, why did the broom miss his flight?
I don't know, Buzz. Why did the broom miss his flight?
Because he overswept.
That's a good one, Buzz.
Hey, are you ready to take off, co-pilot Māia?
Oh, yes, Captain.
Okay, well, up, and out of here!
This is co-pilot Māia reporting for duty.
Ka pai, co-pilot. Your first task is to select your wakarererangi.
Okay, well, this one has really cool propellers. And this one has cool plane wings. But I'm gonna have to choose this one.
Ka rawe. All right. Bing.
Morena, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to welcome you aboard this Toy Time service.
Ding.
Your flight is ready for departure.
Are you ready to go? Right, here we go.
We're doing it. Ding!
We have reached our cruising altitude. Please sit back and enjoy your flight.
Oh. Uh-oh. Seatbelt sign.
Ding. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign.
Bing!
It's just a little bit of turbulence. Nothing to be worried about.
Ding!
Ladies and gentlemen, we will shortly begin our descent.
Ding.
Cabin crew, please prepare the aircraft for landing.
Ding!
We hope you'll fly with us again soon.
Ding!
Mā te wā.
Kia ora tamariki mā, I'm Auntie Anika and today I'm going to show you how to pack a suitcase for when you go travelling because you don't want to forget anything important like Teddy here. Okay, first of all, shoes. Very important. You have to pack your shoes. Walking shoes, gumboots, dancing shoes, and they all go. Oh, and slippers for your little feet. There we go. Done. Okay, next up, onesie and PJs. Here we go. This is my most favourite onesie. It's so beautiful and warm and snuggly. And it goes. Oh, my favourite PJs. Oh, I love them. Yes, it's so exciting. Okay, some warm things, togs, you name it. Oh, beautiful. Nice warm woolen jersey if it gets cold. My favourite puzzle book. And here for when we go to the beach, get in there, go on. Favourite blankie, of course. Pillow, another pillow. Oh, wait, I forgot my stilts. Silly. I've been learning stilts, so I'll be... Okay, I have to leave them at home. I'll pick some up when I'm on holiday. That's all right, okay. Oh, no, Teddy! I forgot Teddy. Somebody help! Somebody help.
Oh, it sounds like Jojo's having the best time with her koro, exploring and collecting souvenirs. Hey, Mōhio,
Tēnā koe, Tama. How can I help?
what exactly is a souvenir?
A souvenir is something that you keep to help you remember a special time or place. It could be a picture, or a T-shirt, or a magnet for the fridge.
Oh, or a shell from the beach, like in Jojo's letter. Thanks, Mōhio.
Anytime, me hoa.
Holiday, holiday, I can't wait to go away. Holiday, holiday, wonder what we'll do. Make new friends, make new friends. Maybe we will make new friends. Make new friends, make new friends. What else could we do? Stay intense, stay intense. Maybe we will stay intense. Stay intense, stay intense. What else could we do? Swim in the sea, swim in the sea. Maybe we'll swim in the sea. Swim in the sea, swim in the sea. What else could we do? Climb a tree, climb a tree. Maybe we will climb a tree. Climb a tree, climb a tree. What else could we do? Family, family. Spending time with family. Family, family. What else could we do? Barbecue, barbecue. We could have a barbecue. Barbecue, barbecue. What else could we do? Holiday, holiday. I can't wait to go away. Holiday, holiday. Wonder what we'll do.
Hi! I'm going to go for a sleepover at Auntie Deb's house. I need my favourite toy. His name is Mr. Lovey. I need my squishy. My shorts. My t-shirt.
Finny, don't forget your toilet bag.
Thanks, Mum. I need my torch. It's really bright. And my favourite book.
Favourite book? Yes. Jammies? Yes. Oh, Mr. Lovey, of course. Shorts and jandals, toilet bag. And look, I made Auntie Deb's favourite biscuits. Go. Bye.
Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring.
Hello?
Hi, Wolfie. It's Oma. I thought I'd give you a call on the phone to catch up. Kei te pihi a koe.
Kei te pai, Oma. I'm good. Hey, do you want to come over for a play?
Oh, yeah, I'll be right over. Bye.
Bye! You're funny, Oma. I love hanging out with you.
Oh, I love hanging out with you too, Wolfie.
Morena te ao, titiro ki te rā, ka haere ki waho, kia pareka reka, kia pareka reka. I can take a hoi ho, pai hikara papareti. Akutapana rora te kehi, ataraka pahi poti wakamoto ka, ngā momo waka, ngā momo waka. Karere ake, i te wakarere rangi. Kia whakarere i te poti, kia pareka reka, kia pareka reka. I can take a hoi ho, pai hikara papareti, akutapana rora te kehi, ataraka pahi poti wakamoto ka. Ngā momo waka, ngā momo waka, ngā momo waka.
Tama, are you okay?
Yeah, mine.
Okay, well, it's time for
What's in the box?
Fly your hand on in, Tama, and tell me what you feel.
Ooh, it feels like there's two pieces here. Ooh, they're hard. They make sound. Ooh, there's ridges on them. They feel like peppy shells, but big ones. Is it a tuatua shell?
It sure is, Tama.
Great guess.
I love tuatuas. Someone has already eaten this one and left the shell. Isn't it beautiful, Jojo? Jojo, it's you! Oh.
I'm back.
Yes!
I'm glad you like the tuatua shell, Tama.
You found this at the beach on the day you saw the takehe. We read about it in your letter.
Yep. And I brought something else back too.
Yeah.
Hugs from my koro.
Oh!
My name's Reed. This is Tyler. And this is Dasher. We love riding together. I ride a flame runner. It's kind of like a bike, but it doesn't have any pedals. I go fast by running in my bike. You have to push very hard on the pedals and use all your might. Catch up, Tyler, yo! I'm the fastest! Catch up, Tyler! I'm the fastest! I go fast because I eat an apple a day. Catch up, yo! We have fun racing together. I love my friends. Bye!
Talofa, I'm Lucky, and this is story time. Today's story is about Tavita and the very special ticket. Train ticket. Tavita loves going on trips to the city with his grandparents because they always take the train. Trains are Tavita's favourite transport. As they walk to the station, Tavita holds their hands. Tavita's grandpa goes to the ticket machine and gets Tavita his very own ticket and says, "You can look after your own train ticket." Tavita carefully puts the ticket in his pocket. They sit and wait for the train to arrive at platform 3. "Nana, how long do we have to wait?" Tavita asks. "On the timetable, it says 2 minutes," Nana replies. They wait 2 whole minutes, and then the red lights start to flash and the gates come down. Tavita is very excited. "City-bound train, arriving now. For your safety, please stay behind the yellow lines," says the loud voice over the speakers. Whoosh! A grey and yellow electric train arrives at platform 3. The train doors slide open like a robot, and inside Tavita thinks the train looks like a spaceship. When the train officer comes to check their tickets, Tavita proudly shows his train ticket. The officer smiles and clicks Tavita's ticket. "I'm very proud of you, Tavita. You looked after your ticket very well," Grandpa says. "This is the best train day ever," Tavita says, hugging his grandparents. Fa sui fo. See you next time.